fame. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. Yeah. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame.
Greetings, YouTube. Lion Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Today is indeed February the 19th, 2020. And in today's video update, we want to show you guys exactly what's going on with our 4th generation wild gladiolus that we have planted right next to our 125-gallon turtle pond where our turtle, Mr. Timmy, resides over there. As you recall in our last video update on these gladiolus, this is what they looked like in that last video update. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what they look like right here, right now in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, yeah. Would you take a look at our gladiolus and exactly what they're looking like right here. Late winter, actually, at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B here in Tifton, Georgia. Already roughly 18 inches tall, healthy, pretty, green. During that last cold snap we had, we placed 2 of our blossoming tires around our gladiolus here, and one on the other side of the pond over there. We filled those blossoming tires with leaves. They kept our gladiolus and the shoots very well insulated. And once the cold snap passed, we removed the tires, removed the leaves, and this, YouTube, yes indeed, this is what our wild 4th generation wild gladiolus are looking like right here, right now, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. February 19th, 2020. Yes indeed, YouTube, yes indeed. We cannot be more pleased by what we see with our wild gladiolus at this point in late winter, right here at Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Currently are indeed watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Look at Mr. Timmy over there peeping his head out. Yeah. 4th generation wild gladiolus. Right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. Yeah. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame. Take a seat, sit back, relax, and open up your ears. I'm taking you back when everything and everyone was real. When a song could make your whole day and change the way you feel. And all of the people who could sing could get a record deal. But nowadays the music biz I just don't understand. Seem like to get a deal you must be a convicted man. I got disgusted and this lion came up with the plan. Ain't no love, I dropped a hit with Bobby Blue Bland. Now I done broke my chains and things will never be the same. They shouldn't have ever let this lion in the game. From dusk to dawn, out in the sun and even in the rain. If you're looking for this lion, get back to chasing fame. Yeah. I'm out here chasing fame. 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 Just open up your mind, look back and you can see the truth. Turn on the radio, tune in and you will hear the proof. The great I win in flash and gold, teeth and tattoos. Glamorizing, doing jail time and breaking rules. Pants hanging off your ass looking like a fool. Whoever taught the black man to think that this was cool? Like in the day the industry was built upon respect. And they would drop you if you couldn't keep yourself in check. But it's a new day and now they don't even bother. Got managers and middlemen trying to make $1. And it's enough to make a grown man scream and holler. But in the music biz, remember knowledge is the power. Yeah. I'm out here chasing fame. I'm out here chasing fame.